Hi, this is Tom with Coherent Logic, and today I'm going to walk you through a quick example where we retrieve Brent Crude futures continuous contract data from quandl and then convert it directly into a data set. So let's jump right in. I'm going to paste a script and execute it. There's our script. Go ahead and run this. And there you have our result. So what's the script do? In this case, due to the way the quandl web services are written, we need to do a little bit of work on our end. So we create a instance of CMR, which is used to execute different calls against different web services. And then we create a case class, which will have our result. In this case, we want to take the date, open, high, and low values. And so then all we do is we map those values accordingly. And then finally down here on this line, we can actually execute the call. And what this does is it makes a request to quandl for data. Quandl returns that data as XML, and then the result in XML is converted into a data set. And we can see the result here. So that's it for this example. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll get you a response as soon as I can. Last but not least, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and that's all for now.